What you say? What? Are you horny? What's my name? What's my name?
Huh?
What's my name? So I'm saying, dude, can that motherfucker move?
This is not funny, but
Nah, cause I'm trying to see that. I'm trying to see that motherfucker. Like,
why you laughing?
Cause I'm trying to see that motherfucker. That's why.
I mean, you can't.
Show me right now, then.
Your ass is on YouTube. We can.
Bro, I'm not on YouTube. Why you keep thinking I'm on YouTube?
Huh?
Why you keep thinking I'm on YouTube?
Because I seen you on YouTube. Like,
no, you haven't. I don't even fucking upload monkey videos. That's why, like, I don't.
Oh, you got YouTube?
Yeah, but I don't do fucking.
I do YouTube too.
I do like our real videos. Like, I go out in public and shit. Like, I don't do this monkey shit. I just be on here trolling, but like, ain't on no YouTube shit though.
Alright, well, I can FaceTime you to see something else.
Oh, what you gonna show me?
Huh?
What you gonna show me?
You know what I'm gonna show you? I'm gonna show you free bands. You know what that is?
Mm-hmm.
You go get some free bands.
A word.
Hmm?
A word?
Free bands. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Take a guess what free bands is.
I know what it is. I don't want to show me. I know. So, hit my phone.
So titties, like you do free bands for titties. Like, free bands, bitch. Like, that's how it's supposed to go.
So hit my phone.
Huh?
I said hit my phone.
Got you.
Yo, I'm a fucking demon, nigga. I'm a demon, nigga. Hold on. Into my ring go. To my ring go. We're gonna see if she gonna call y'all.
Oh, white people meet shit.
Right.
Yo, I got a question.
Yeah.
What's your question?
Is it noticeable? Is it noticeable? Is my shit noticeable, bro? Kinda, somewhat.
Am I tripping?
I just asked.
What's noticeable?
Oh, damn. So you calling my shit small? Okay. Appreciate it. I mean, at least you keeping it real, shit. That's what, no wonder why my girlfriend got down. Said my dick little.
Okay. Oh, she ain't shit.
Yeah, I don't know. She just be tripping, bro.
Start a life.
You said what?
Nothing.
I'm saying that. Where y'all from, though? Oh, shit. Let me fix my camera. Where y'all from?
Florida.
Oh, damn. That right up the road. What city?
Tampa.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? Y'all dead ass?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Yo, that gotta be mine, but no way. No way y'all from Florida. Y'all just graduated type shit?
Yeah.
I'm already knowing how I feel.
Feel too good.
Sam, but you going to college?
Yeah.
What college you going to?
Xavier University.
What you gonna got down, you know what I'm saying? What you gonna go there to do type shit?
I wanna major in biomedical engineering.
What about you?
Why are you laughing?
I don't talk. Sorry.
Hey, you don't talk?
No.
So she got down. She the one that you got the choke type shit. But got down, what he got down. Yo, my girlfriend tripping. I don't know why she said my dick little, but every time I be hearing her, like, she got down, we got down doing the most. Like, got down, be doing all that.
Faking it?
Nah, I don't know about that one. I'd kill that hoe if she was doing that.
Oh, you one of them?
Yeah.
Cause your dick little. So you mad.
Oh, my dick little? Like, dead ass? Like, my dick little? What the fuck? You know how long this is? Like, bro, it's like a whole fucking Sub, nigga. It's a whole sub.
You must think I'm dumb.
It's a whole sub.
Okay.
What you mean? Do I think you dumb? What you mean? What are you talking about?
Niggas are so weird. Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
Where you stay?
I stay in Florida,
What part?
Miami.
Yeah, of course.
That's what they all say.
The fuck? Fuck. So, why are you shaking your head?
No wonder why I was literally from Miami.
What? Oh my god! She just violated the cucumber!
Why is she yelling?
Because she just said my dick was little. Like, what the fuck? That's a whole fucking sub, baby. Damn! Like, it's this little. It's this little. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. What the fuck? You see that? What the fuck? How is that little? Be honest with me. Be honest with me. Oh my god. Fuck these hoes, bro. Damn. Fuck these hoes, bro. Like Chris Brown said, fuck them. Oh my god.